spot. Can't exactly blame them. God knows how boring it must be to grow up in Rapture. But their hormones are costing us money, and this isn't an amusement park. I've locked the control room. The code is 7951.
Cool. Removes Eve culture seeing through walls while standing still. Oh shit. That's pretty sweet. I kind of want to go down here. I've got to avoid the fucking water. All the fucking turrets. Jesus. Jesus. Is there somebody above me? No, it's just that dude up there. Oh, this is just a way to get back there. You didn't hear shit, bud.
You don't have my permission to leave.
What the fuck are you talking about? Shut up.
Don't leave me. Not again.
Dude's fucking losing his mind.
I got something new.
What the fuck did they say that was?
Damn hooligans. They've been sneaking into the repair bay at night, riding around on the hydraulic lifts. It's some kind of makeout spot.
I forgot what she said the code was.
God knows how boring it must be to grow up in Rapture. But their hormones are costing us money, and this isn't an amusement park. I've locked the control room. The code is 7951.
Jesus. That was all kinds of wrong way, huh?
How could
Fuck
you just
me.
walk away? I ain't got time for this.
Turn around, buddy.
Yeah, folks always stare. See, you get used to it.
Yay, Eve. Sweet. Vent, turret. Oh shit, what's in here? Fuck's in here? Oh, it's an upgrade, son of a bitch. Beam cannon ammo? Oh my god, lockpicks are so expensive. This is that door, right? The whole left part micro keep the beam focused on the enemy to make him explode and damage. Oh my god!
Probably a switch around here somewhere. This is gonna be noisy.
Yeah.
Stay! He may make more of you yet.
Oh good.
Say you could go.
Oh good.
Come on! What are you running away for?
Ah, fuck these guys. Those two went white.
It appears our time is up for now. Come back! I just... Return to the fray. Only the weak fear comes with... Oh, hurry up and come out. I got a lot of irons in the fire. You don't have my permission to leave. They caught the breeze or what?
Fuck you. I guess that's how that's supposed to work, right? And how much does ammo for this thing cost? $30! Dude, my crossbow and this thing would be badass.
Got it. Just need to find Old Man Winter and we're done.
Okay.
The law gets bribery. Then you'll want some fella in my privy advising how I
What the
get
fuck does this dude have on his back?
next. Martial law?
Pop! Death is what's next, bro. Dude, she's got hops. That ain't no fucking joke. Bitch got hops.
You spit rabbit, you spit Frankie, and you leave me what?
You think I don't got a family to feed?
This is interesting. Can I go over here? Fucking no, I can't go over here. Are you kidding?
I closed that son of a bitch. I closed it. I don't want to check, but I'm telling you, he is closed.
Using so much aim to get through this shit. It's just so dumb. He probably wouldn't have seen me anyway. Well, okay.
Any progress, love? I must confess, I'm becoming a wee bit skeptical.
Remind me, why am I supposed to care?
You see, me lads have taken a keen thirst for Adam, and there's a vintage right in front of me that'll do nicely.
If you kill her, I truly hope you are happy living down here. Put down roots, raise a family.
Huh.
Or maybe you think Andrew Ryan is going to ride to your rescue.
Fair enough. But remember, there are fast ways to harvest little sisters, and some very slow ones.
Hope you guys can't hear that, but I turned my fan on a little bit. Trying to check ambient noise. Oh my god, my crossbow. Thank Christ. How do I change fucking ammo? Which renders nearby enemies unconscious. Did I miss the part where...
Hey, Junior! Come on in and watch this. All right. Pay attention now. That's Andrew Ryan on that screen. He is burning. Look at what you done to him. Fair warning. I'm an eye for an eye type of fella.
I don't care. I had to. There's no way. I still don't know how the fuck I'm supposed to Maybe as you hold it? Yeah.